and welcome to 5 mistakes to avoid when starting an online business. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Mom. I'm a single mother of 2 children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire your boss and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I had mom guilt because I was spending more money trying to make money online. From affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, you name it, I've been there and done that. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. And back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide in strangers' DMs. So if you are looking into the digital marketing space, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. And one of the mistakes that most beginners make is that they're trying to do so much at the same time and they end up getting overwhelmed and frustrated. I know this because I've been there myself, right? Use all this information and that's living in the information age where you actually get overwhelmed. So what you need to do is you need to focus on one thing and just break it down. How do you eat an elephant, an apple, one bite at a time, right? So focus on one program, one opportunity, and then just break it down step by step, right? Learn the skills that you need to actually build that business. Okay, so stop having the shiny object syndrome, jumping from program to program, project to project, and just focus on one thing and focus on learning those income producing high income skills. Okay, and the other thing is that the other mistake most people make is that they have an employee mindset where they're used to going to work and being told what to do and doing as they're told, right? So when they go to start their own business, they actually don't know, they don't have they're all over the place because they don't have that boss telling them what to do and direct them, right? So they don't have income producing activities, for instance. These are tasks going to help them achieve the goals, right? So what you need to do is, if you're going to get into business, you need to make sure that you have income producing activities. You have little things that you need to do every single day, and you need to create time to do that, right? So you create time to work on your income producing activity. Every single day, you things that are going to help you achieve your business, your financial goals. Okay, that's a mistake. Number 2 that people make, they just get into the business and just do things whenever they feel it, that they don't actually have a structure or a blueprint to follow. Okay, and then the third mistake that I've seen is people expect instant results, right? They want to join a program now and they want to make money tomorrow. They actually want to make money yesterday, right? So that's tough because what happens is people see other people making money and then they compare themselves to those people and say, I should be making that money. Why am I not making that money? But you're comparing apples to oranges. You're not the same as the other person. You don't know the mindset, how they're thinking. You don't know the skill sets that they have, right? So you can't compare yourself with anybody. And I'm studying for my degree in business and marketing. I know that I have 4 years of study before I can start to earn, right? So I have that mindset. I know that I have to put in the work and then the results will follow. Most people don't think that way. They get frustrated if they don't see results, right? So one of the mistakes that you need to avoid is you need to give yourself time when you're getting into an online business. Give it a year, right? Say, I'm going to put everything I have every single day. I'm going to commit to my income producing activities and see how it goes. But don't just spend a week, a month just jumping from program to program saying, this doesn't work, right? It's like you're building 2 steps forwards, 10 steps back. It never works. So that's the third thing that you need to avoid. And then the fourth mistake that people make is that they ignore the little wins every single day. I write down my successes, and some successes can be like, I spend time with my children. That's huge success to me, like one-to-one time, just having a chat with them, right? So they ignore the little things that they do. Maybe they created a video like this, right? And they didn't actually acknowledge that because it, but it didn't get the amount of likes or views that they wanted. But they forget that they actually did the work, right? They did the income producing activities. So it's very important as an entrepreneur, celebrate your wins, acknowledge the work that you did. And the other step number 4, the other mistake that most beginners make is that they are too focused on results, right? They're too focused on likes and views and comments. Oh, my video is stuck on 200 views on YouTube, on TikTok, 10 views on YouTube. They're too focused on that, right? And if you focus on that, you have no control over that. If somebody's going to watch your video, like or comment, you can do what you can, but you still can't control that. What you can control is what you do, right? You can only control what you do. So you need to get away from focusing on the results and focus on doing the action, right? Doing the income producing activity. Create that content regardless of what happens, how many views or whatever you get, right? Learn what you do the best that you can, and you just keep creating that content, because consistency is key. And lastly, the last thing, a bonus mistake to avoid is not being consistent, right? The way you're going to be successful in building your business is being consistent. So sometimes life gets in the way. I know that because it gets in the way of me as a working full-time mother of 2 children. Trying to balance it can be tricky, but it's always in the back of my mind. I always know, right? Okay, on a good day, I have to create this amount of content. I have to do this, my income producing activities. And if I can't do all of them, I actually try to do at least some of them that I can do on the go when I'm up and about, right? So that's a thing, the mistake that people make. They start. Would you agree that everybody starts, right? But not everybody finishes. So that's one of the mistakes that brings people down. Now, if you would like to learn more about digital marketing, especially point number 4, the 4th point, I actually got that point from my millionaire mentor, who talked about, don't worry about the views and the likes and the comments. Forget about that. You learn how to create content, and you just focus on creating content. That's what you have control over. I learned that one from my 6-figure mentor. So if you would like to get access to our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, I want to invite you to click the link in the description to actually claim your free 10K in 30 days live interactive guide. I'll deliver this guide to your email. Please respond to the email if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And lastly, I just want to share with you our community. We have a 6-figure step-by-step blueprint. We have over 49,500 paid members. 249 are online right now. This is a live interactive program. Here is where we get our live interactive calls. So right now there's a live going on, so the Millionaire Playbook, that I'll get access to the replay after. We have a weekly onboarding call, bi-weekly onboarding call as well. So on Monday we had Facebook training with